So, small space. Yeah, it sucks. Well, if you think you can't practice in a small space, you're completely wrong. In today's video, we're going to show you 5 dribbling drills you could do in a small space or at home. Let's get on with it. Okay, so I just set up some cones. Each cone is around 4 steps apart. So like you just walk 4 steps and then place into the cone. If you don't have any cones, you could use a water bottle or just anything you could find around your house. So yeah, they're all 4 steps. So make sure you walk 4 steps, or if you want a bigger, or if you don't have a big house, you could use a tiny, you can use 3 steps, 2 steps, just enough space. Like this is not what we're gonna be using. This is just what the drills are going to be inside of. So let's get on to drill number 1. For the first drill, it's just going to be some 2 cone dribbling drills. So right here is 2 cones. Each cone is 2 steps apart. It's really windy. My phone actually just fell like a while ago, so I had to restart it, which is pretty sucky. So yeah, you're just going to do short taps inside the foot, outside the foot, couple times, and this is basically kind of just a warm-up, but you could do it, not as a warm-up, as a real drill. And yeah, let me give you an example. And with this drill, you could do it as many times as you like, dribbling in between these 2 cones with the outside and inside of your foot. Now with this next drill, you're going to place a cone in the center, and then 2 more cones on each side of that cone that is in the center. Okay, hopefully I voiced over that, but what you're gonna do is place a cone in the middle. I had to get like triangle cones because I didn't have enough cones, so there's gonna be like some flat cones, a flat cone over there, and the other ones are like cones, so you're gonna place a cone in the middle, okay? And on each side of that cone, you're gonna place 2 more cones. And I'm gonna give you an example. This is another dribbling drill, obviously, it's the point of this video. So you're gonna place a cone in the middle and 2 cones on like every side, so you make like a giant X, I would say. And I'm gonna give you an example video of what you're gonna do. Now for this drill, you're gonna dribble into the middle, then go to the left. Then you're gonna dribble back into the middle, and then go forward, dribble back into the middle, and then go right, and then dribble all the way over to the left. Okay, now for this third drill, it is called the skill box. Now if you look behind there, you can see we have a mini box inside our big box. Each cone is 1 step into the box from the side cones, okay? So if you have like a room like that, make sure you take 1 step in, or just make a tiny box in your room or something. So this is called the skill box, okay? The skill dribbling box. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna dribble into the box, do a skill move, and then, dribble out of it, okay? Here's an example. Okay, so that right there was the skill box. You could do as many times as you wanted. You could do any kind of skill move, step overs, 1-foot step overs, 2-foot step overs, any Cristiano Ronaldo move. If you don't know how to do step overs, I have a video of how to do all sorts of step overs, just like Cristiano Ronaldo. You can go watch that, it's on my channel right now. But yeah, that's the drill number 3. Let's get on to drill number 4. Okay, now for this next drill, we have the turn box, okay? So we have a cone in the middle of this box right here, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna start up there. You're gonna start right there, and you're gonna dribble into the middle of the cone, and you're gonna use the outside of your foot to do a 80-degree turn around it. And then when you get over there, you do a 100-degree turn. So you instantly turn around and then redo it. Here's an example. With this drill, make sure you're using the outside of your foot and taking sharp turns. This next drill, what you're going to want to do is you're going to throw a bunch of cones on the ground and then flip them up so they're all standing. Now this drill is called the landmine field. Now what you're going to want to do is try not to hit a single cone and dribble in between all of them.